Welcome to the Kale Kravings travel docu-series. We just arrived in Athens and there's a Mary Poppins themed cafe behind me, so might cry, but before that we gotta check in. The girls are here. Time to introduce everybody. So we've got Ash Bash, Alex, and Jessica. Good morning from Athens. Today is a big adventure day as we are going to see the Acropolis and all the other ruins. Ashley, what are you most excited to see today?
Would it be lame if I said the Acropolis?
No, it would not be lame at all. Well, that's perfect because that's where we're going next. Okay, we are leaving Athens and we are off to
Mykonos.
Cute. On the hunt for our restaurant. It seems as though all of the hotels start with a P, so we're having a little bit of trouble. The fact that we don't speak Greek is not coming in handy right now, so it's just a little adventure, a little nature walk. So tired. Okay, first meal in Santorini. Initial thoughts. This place is not real. Jessica, initial thoughts.
Agreed completely. Unreal. It's beautiful. I'm just overwhelmed by the stairs and its beauty. Stunning.
Amazing. our last climb up the mountain of Ia. It is truly a mountain with probably 100,000 steps would be my estimate, and whew, it's a tough climb. Hey, hey, hey. Okay, so basically I'm so happy to be talking to you guys because I left my camera on the plane. So for 2 days I thought that the vlog was gone because I didn't save any of these videos. And then the airline, shout out to Blue Express, found it. And I am so grateful, so happy to have my camera back and all the videos so that I can share this with you guys. And now we're going to eat in Roma.
Hey guys, what's up? Hello! Kale Kravings, and I'm here reporting live from Florence, Italy. Next door is Alex Sloane.
I'm real and tell you what's really been going on behind the scenes. Manifestation! Yeah!
Angel numbers and ladybugs.
Woo! Ready for our Vespa wine tasting tour, Tuscany. Update as we are like more than halfway through our trip. I'm in Florence right now and going to Amsterdam and then Barcelona next, which is gonna be amazing. Super excited for that. So since we've been traveling for like 25 days at this point, obviously I'm very tired, and it's always just interesting to me and a learning lesson to figure out how to prioritize what I want to do when I'm on vacation. So I wouldn't call it balancing because it's really a moment-to-moment decision. It's not like, oh, I'm halfway, taking care of my body and halfway just saying YOLO. Like, it's not like that. It's really in every moment, like, okay, what's best for me right now? For example, I've been having little tastes and bites of things that I'm a little bit intolerant to or a lot intolerant to, like dairy and gluten, and that's been fine. But today I clearly had too much and my stomach was really hurting, so in that moment I just had to prioritize what was going to make me feel better, which was coming home instead of going out with my friends. And I was also really tired because, again, like a priority of mine usually is 8 hours of sleep. Like less than 8 hours consistently equals zombie Sloane, and so I'm gonna go to sleep early. And like, yeah, I'm missing out on a night out, but I know that tomorrow I'm gonna be a much happier person, which will really be much better for me and for my friends. So I think that it's important to make sure that you know what your priorities are and to stick with it. Don't let people peer pressure you, because at the end of the day, like, you're the one living in your body. So your friends or your family, anybody else who has an opinion, like, they probably have that opinion out of love for you, but like what really matters is whatever's gonna be the best decision for you. So that's that, and I'll see you tomorrow. plane. Woo! Amsterdam, yo. Time to bike. Sloane's the only one that got a helmet, so yep. They're crystal shopping.